For over 40 years, CR Surfacing Laboratories has helped millions of Australians see better. The CR Surfacing success story started as a small family business in 1976. Ray made a bold decision and opened the first independent plastic lens laboratory in Australia in an era when people wore glass lenses in their spectacles. This is a great indication of the company's innovative core. Today, CR Surfacing is Australia's oldest and largest independent optical lens manufacturer, employing over 50 staff members managed by Ray's son Adam. Quality defines everything CR Surfacing does. Starting with premium raw material, the lenses are made by state-of-the-art equipment using world-leading technologies and fitted by highly qualified industry experts. CR Surfacing's commitment to the future reflects in their investment in people and industrial innovations, and in the way they care for the environment. From paperless invoicing and changing to biodegradable packaging, CR Surfacing implemented an award-winning general waste management system, saving over 500,000 litres of water per year. CR Surfacing's mission is to shape the future of Australia by helping millions of people see better. And the way they want to create a secure and prosperous future is by fortifying the independent optometry market. This is why CR Surfacing lenses are exclusively available from your local independent optometry practices.